Good morning children, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear children, in the last video we have started chapter number 8 measurement and we have started question number 1. Now today we are going to work with question number 2 which is add the following. So students, in your textbook, question number 2 we are going to see. I have already written the question on the board, you can see add. So what we are going to add here? We are going to add the measurement, students. Let us see. A point 21 kilometers, 521 meters and 12 kilometers, 23 meters. So let us see, students. First of all, you have to make columns according to the units. What are the units here? Kilometers and meters. So see what I have written. I have written kilometers and meters. Now I will be writing the numbers. So 21 kilometers and 521 meter. Clear, students? How to write is important here. Then 12 kilometer, 23 meter. So 12 kilometer you are going to write like this. Now 23 meter. How to write 23 meter, students? You are going to write, see, 3 is in which place? Ones place. So we are going to write 3 below ones place only. Then 2 is in tens place, so I will write like this. What about the hundreds place? Nothing is there, so we are going to write 0. Got it, students? So write like this you are going to write. Now we will be adding. So 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, then 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is our final answer, students. What we got? On adding these two values, we got 33 kilometers, 544 meters. Understood? And this is clear now why we have written 0 here, because as we were writing the digits, we have written the 3 at ones place, 2 at tens place. What about hundreds? Hundreds is not there, so simply we have written 0 here. Okay, now let us see point number B, students. 58 kg 315 grams and 37 kg 406 grams. Again, first we'll write columns, kilograms and grams. Now let us write the numbers. 58 kg 315 grams. Okay, then 37 kg and 406 grams. Now let us again add them, students. So 6 plus 5, 11, then 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 7, 7, 14, 15, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, don't forget to write the unit, students. So here 95 kg, 721 grams. Okay, like this we have added the given values. Now students, point number C is your work. You are going to do it. Now let us quickly see question number 3, subtract. Note it down, then we'll see subtract. So students, question number 3, subtract. First point, 32 liters, 116 milliliters from 59 liters, 33 milliliters. So again, first we'll make columns here, liter and milliliter. We know that whenever subtraction question is given, we have to write the value, we have to write such value first which is given after from. Okay, so here this from this, that means the second number will be written first. So here I will write 59 liters, 33 milliliters. Okay, students, you can see here ones place is there, tens place is there, hundreds place is not there. Okay, fine. Next number is 32 liters, 116 milliliter. Now this number has hundreds place also. So what to do, students? Look, first I'll write ones digit, then I'll write tens digit, and then I'll write hundreds digit. What about this? Here again we are going to put 0. Okay, now we are going to subtract them. So we have to borrow 1 from here. So 13 minus 6 will give you 7. Here 2 left. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. Again we have to borrow 1 from 9. So it will become 10. 10 minus 1 will give us 9. Now as we have borrowed 1 from 9, it will become 8. 8 minus 2 will give us 6. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So our final answer is 26 liters and 917 milliliters. Understood, students? The difference is this much. Now let us see point number B. Again, meter, centimeter. So I have made the column. First we have to write 98 meters and then 15 centimeters. Then 73 meters and 60 centimeters. Clear, na? Now we can subtract them. 5 minus 0 will be 5. Then we have to borrow 1 here. So 11 minus 6 will give you 5. Then 7 minus 3 will give you 4. Then 9 minus 7 will give you 2. So 24 meters, 55 centimeters. Got it, students? Again, point number C will be your work. Note it down. So students, question number 4 is multiplication. Multiply the following measures. Questions I have already written. Again kg and gram. Either if you want you can make columns also, or simply also we can write like this and solve. So 5 kg 204 grams. Multiplication you know na, in the same manner you are going to multiply this. Okay, so students 3 4s are 12, then 3 2s are 6. Don't forget to put the unit students. Then 3 5s are 15. So the product of these two measures is 15 kg 612 grams. Okay, then let us see this one. 18 liters 575 milliliters into 8. Okay students, so let us multiply this also now. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry over, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4 60, 6 carry over, then 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 6 46. Okay, then don't forget to put milliliters. Then 4 carry over, 8 8s are 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, then 8 1s are 8, 9 10 11 12 13 14. So our final answer is 148 liters 600 milliliters. See how easy it is, isn't it? And now again point number C will be your homework. Note it down. Then we'll see question number 5, divide. So students, question number 5, divide. You can see 14 liters 569 milliliters divided by 17. Students, either you can make columns and you can divide, or you can convert also and then you can divide. For division question it's better to convert the values and then to divide. Okay students, so here we will be converting the greater unit into smaller unit, or you can do vice versa also. So here 14 liter 569 milliliter I will be converting the greater unit into smaller unit. So students, we know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter, isn't it? So in that manner 14 into 1000 okay, 14 into 1000 milliliter, how much will get? 14,000 milliliter. Now this 14,000 milliliter will be added with 569 milliliters. So finally we will get 14569 milliliters. And now this number I am going to divide by 17. You can do it directly also, but I am telling you for division try to convert and solve. It will be easier. Okay, without any confusion you can solve it. So here I am solving it. Okay. So students, let us divide now. So 17 8s are how much? 17 8s are 136. Okay, 15 minus 6 9, then 3 minus 3 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, now we are going to take 6 down. 96. So 96 is not coming in 17's table but less than it. How much? 17 5s are 85, isn't it students? So 6 minus 5 1, 9 minus 8 1. Understanding? Then we are going to take 9 119, and 17 7s are 119. So we didn't got any remainder is 0 0 and 0. So students, that means on dividing the following measures we got 857 milliliters. So like this you have to divide. Got it students? Now let us see point number B also. Again here I will convert and I will explain you. Okay, so bigger unit into smaller. So 200. Okay, first 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, isn't it? That's why 248 into 1000 meters will be getting 2000. Sorry, wait, let me write. Okay, so 2,48,000 meters. Now we are going to add here 7 meters. So the final answer is 248,007 meters. Clear students? Now this we are going to divide with 3. Okay. 248,007 meters. So 3 8s are 24. Okay. then 8, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. Clear now students? Now we'll take 0. So 3 6 are 18, 2 left. Again we are going to take 0 here. Again same thing, 3 6 are 18, 2 left. Now at last 7, and we know that 3 9s are 27. So here finally our answer, our remainder will be 0. Understood students? So this I got in meters. Now if you want you can convert it into kilometers also. Okay. So that way also I will be giving you the answer. The final answer is 82,669 meters. But if you want you can write it in kilometers also. You can write it as 82 kilometers 669 meters. One more thing, at the back of your textbook answers are given na, there the answer given is wrong. The correct answer is this only. Okay, in your textbook the answer is given at the back of your textbook, the answer is 82 kilometers 900 meters. 900 meter is wrong, students will get 669 meters. Okay, now again for this point number C will be your homework. So students, in today's video basically we have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of measures. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you.